Increasingly, we use our fingerprints to confirm our identity and give us access to things that are important to us. But now a British company, Intelligent Fingerprinting, has realised that our fingerprints can even reveal the substances we've consumed.
When someone ingests something, so for example drinking a cup of coffee or taking an illegal drug, their body digests or metabolises what they've ingested to produce secondary chemicals called metabolites. Now we can detect the metabolites from within the sweat of a fingerprint that are specific to the drug that they have recently taken.
Intelligent Fingerprinting has used this knowledge to develop the world's first fingerprint-based portable drug testing system. From the simple touch of a fingertip, it tests for multiple drugs simultaneously and gives results in minutes. The fingerprint is collected on this small cartridge, which is then inserted into the reader, and it's this device that analyses the tiny traces of sweat in the fingerprint to produce a negative or positive result for each drug in the test.
Our fingerprint drug screening system is revolutionary simply because it's so easy to use. It can be carried out with a 5-second fingerprint sample collection, and the results are available in less than 10 minutes. Conventional drug screening methods, such as those that use oral fluid or urine, are both undignified and invasive to some degree. The difference between those and collections using fingerprints is that a fingerprint sample is very dignified, it's non-invasive, doesn't carry the biohazard that's associated with the others, and therefore you don't need special preparation facilities or special waste disposal.
And as the device is portable, drug screening can be carried out in any location for a variety of purposes.
So spot checks within the military, at the roadside, and to support drug rehabilitation. It can also be used for fitness for duty testing within the workplace. And for the coroner's service, it can provide early intelligence on cause of death. There are many millions of these tests that are carried out every year, so the potential for use for the intelligent fingerprinting drug screening system is enormous.